idea of Virgin pencil and product features, meaning and this making of this Virgin pencil and marketing and finance will be explained by my team.
Good morning to everyone. And myself Manish Kumar. I present my topic Berzion pencil. Everyone know that Berzion pencil. What is the pencil? But it is different from the pencil, and it is the fully eco-friendly. It the meanings of the Berzion pencil produce buds or branches, or to begin to grow. How to grow is the Berzion pencil, and to emerge and develop rapidly. How to rapidly the Berzion pencil. The next slide will continue, my friends.
Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Gaurav Kumar. So, I'll be talking about its features. So, we are pencil makers here. Our product name is Virgin Pencil. So, we are making Virgin Pencil, which is totally eco-friendly. And let's talk about its features. It comes with various colors as well as designs that will attract people as well as children. So, as we all know, there are so many products available in the market, which some pencils are made by wood, some pencils made by plastic. Okay, so these things like plastic and wood can harm the environment. It can harm the environment, but our product is made by clay. That is eco-friendly and will not harm the environment at all. So now we are going to launch our product. So that's all about its features. Now next will be explained by Mr. Lokesh. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. The concept is very clear, like we are trying to be environmental friendly. So in today's world, we live in a throwaway society where any product or any whatever we use, we are ready to throw it away when it reaches its uselessness. So our concept, our objective is to make use of every product we use rather than throwing them away. In the simple sense, making use of our everyday pencil what we use daily. This pencil is very clearly made of clay, not wood and not plastic. The clay blinder, which is erodes from the soil rocks, which contains all the soil rock erosion particles, which can mold it to to make the pencil and insert the graphite in it. So this pencil in the end, a seed is embedded in it with a mark provided to it. So when it reaches the end, we can't use the pencil up to the end because we can't hold the pencil in our hands until the end. It becomes very small. So rather than throwing it away, when it reaches the end, the mark is placed in the product and you can plant it rather than throwing it away. You can take it to your garden or your homes. You can simply plant it. And you must be thinking why simply to put a seed in it, then you go and plant it again in your garden. The same pencil, if you take plastic pencil, it is not biodegradable. It again affects the environment. And wooden pencils is again a threat to environment like cutting off trees. So this is an advantage of it to make use of, to be aware of the environment too. And once you planted the seed, all it requires is little moisture. A seed which is placed inside the mud, which is made of clay, it doesn't grow until it gets some moisture or enough temperature. So continuous watering is required to make the seed ripen or grow. All this doesn't simply happen just like that, putting a seed in a pencil. It requires the process of germination. The germination process might take some 3 to 4 days, and every seed has its own time. It is not like every seed can grow in the same intervals. It takes some 3 to 4 days to grow 5 to 8 inches of the plant. And very clearly speaking, you can't grow some mango trees or pumpkin trees in this Berzion pencil. Very clearly, you can use only pulses, soybeans, cereals, which are very small. And the main advantage of our product is it has a pencil which is not against the environment. And by giving these seeds in it, we give the nutrition content of cereals, which we grow by Berzion in the process of Berzioning. They have 30% higher content in what actually we produce. So the marketing strategies and the sales forecast will be known like.
So we have marketing analysis regarding we are putting a strategy at the low cost pricing, and there are many competitors who are giving pencils which are made of wood and plastics, but where the company Virgin is the company which is launching its product in a place so that it can degrade it easily, or we are able to maintain our tagline that we are environment friendly. And we are doing segmentation, that market segmentation we are targeting especially secondary level primarily, then we will go further in next year. And distribution we are making several storehouses, and we are targeting, initially we are targeting this Bangalore city, so we are putting several layouts and showrooms regarding this perfume pencil. And we have formula to forecast sales like market, we have market potential, target market positioning, and market extent of market coverage, and unit of pencil consumed by a person per day, per year, and average price of pencil. For 2013 and 14 we have estimated potential buyers, suppose 1 million, and we are having target market of 25% of total, and we are covering market 75% of that, and our this 20 is the number of pencils consumed by a person per day, and our average price is 4, which is its lowest minimum. It is actually cost price, and we are forecasting sales at a distance. And for next year 2014 and 15 we are increasing our target market by 5%. Initially we are doing 25%, now it is 30%. We are increasing it by 5%, and by this we are getting some 80 million forecasted sales for the next year. And to conclude all this, we have a review.
You must all be wondering how come all this is possible in a pencil. A pencil which is completely made of clay, how can you make a seed grow in it? So this is how it happens. Pencil is put, the seed is put at the end of the pencil, and you keep on writing it, sharpen it when it becomes dull. So when it is completely very short, you will plant it either in your garden. You can make it for commercial use also. And once you start watering it, it will start to grow. And we would like to conclude saying that we must be aware of the environment. We are targeting school children just because today's children are tomorrow's citizens. We are not with them that the environment, the present threat of environment.